Hi guys, welcome to our channel, Bib's Life in the US. Hi guys, and good morning and welcome to Bib's Life in the US. Unboxing guys, grocery shopping from Walmart. Of course, paper towel, milk, chicken broth, slapaju, lotion tea, potato, sugar, broccoli, Yakult, ground beef, French fries, sliced cheese, black cheese, and then chicken, and then bacon, sausage, and egg, and this pan. Oh, $81.88 or 4,860 in the Philippine money. And Walmart guy give a gift. Look, so cute. Let's unbox inside guy. They give a gift something guy. Oh, I don't know what is this. Sinova. Tuna, guy. This is tuna, Sinova. We need to try this. Because we bought tuna, different kind of tuna. Hopefully this is good. They give this. This is inside the box. Cherry. What is this? Instant cherry. Lemonade. Look like a juice, I think. Yeah. What is this? Sorry, I have no dog. This is for the dog, guy. Because the design is dog. Look like dog treat. Choro. Walmart, they give that. I think this one we eat this. Cheese it. The cheese it. They give some goodies, guys. What is this? Tera bread. This is medicine. But I'm not drinking that. Tera bread na. And the other one, what is good? Pistachio, yes. Wait. Pistachio. Yes, how to pronounce this?
Pistachio something.
Pistachio, oh?
Yeah.
I don't know how to pronounce that, guy. Pistachio. Double O pa. Maybe we need to try that, guys. I show you what that is. Liquid IV. What do you mean liquid IV? Ah! Liquid IV. Look like the retention distribution. Look like put in the. Look like in the nose. The flavor is lemon. Lemon. And that's it, guys. The bag, yeah. The bag, so very cute. Nothing na. Look like a flyer. Flyer, guy. Walmart sometime, guy. A Walmart membership can pay for itself. Look like ano, guy. Yeah. This is the goodies. They give. And that's it, guy. Hi, guys! Welcome to our channel. It's Life in the US. Unboxing tayo, guys. Today is Saturday, May 23, guys. So we need to unboxing. What is this? They delivered this morning. This is t-shirt, guys. T-shirt. Yeah. My husband ordered t-shirt. I think some area. It is. This is my another ride was on aircraft carrier. Wow! This is nice. Nice, guy. That's the name in the box ship. Very nice. Was an aircraft carrier. Yeah. That's and this one. I don't know what is this, guy. What is this? I don't know why people sending very big. This one, and then inside like this. I don't know why they sending like this. Very huge, look. Maybe no more available small. Thermometer pala to. Because our thermometer, guy, is not still working but broken. Broken the something like that. We need to fold. This one, oh. I show you, guys. This area. This is broke. But still working. Huh? So, still working, guys. My husband buy new one. Like that. Because if I cook guy chicken or beef meat, we need to taste to make sure done or not done. And that's it, guys. Hi, guys. Good morning and happy Lord Day today. Today is Sunday, guys. And early in the morning, I have package from Amazon. Let's open, guys. I don't know what inside, guys. This is from Amazon. Oh, 5E quality. Oh, this is puzzle. Another puzzle, guys. Very nice. Huh? Look at that. Puzzle, guy. This is 500 pieces. And then you need to do like this. Because my husband is done na to our first puzzle. Like that. Okay. Very nice, guy. Nice. 50 pieces. The first puzzle from Hobby Lobby is do that for, I think, 6 hours. This one, I don't know how many hours. Because this is a lot of puzzle, 500. The other one, only 300. And that's it, guys. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching and bye.